Yes, this is 5th of July, 2023. This is my mango tree in my backyard, and I see one that's I better pick before it falls off. But what I'm doing is I'm collecting all the spoiled ones that the squirrels eat or bite into, and I'm drying out the seeds for this project of attempting to squeeze oil from mango. These mango seeds have not been dried. These were dried in the sun, and we're going to run them first of all through this VS8 shredder. Okay, and here's what we're going to do. Go ahead, throw it in. 3,600 RPM. Here's another view of what we got. Just here the wet put it quite a bit differently from the okay, we're going to try a different test here. We're hooking up the pulp fluidizer. The shredded material will come out down here, and there you see one of the two drums of the machine. I climb up here. Okay, we're getting ready to put in. Okay. This is some more of what was left in here. Look at that. Big chunks of kernel. Nothing else to achieve that. We've invented or discovered something. I found an easy way to get the kernels out of the rest of these seeds. It'll be easy to get them. I pry these open by hand. What I do is I've got a grinder. Notice I've got a saw blade tooth on it as opposed to the wheel, and I cut off this corner, as you can see, and once I've cut off that corner, I can put my finger in there and it'll pry open, and so this has been working very well. Okay, this is the 30th of July. We're at Vincent Corporation. We've got a small boiler here that does pretty well for itself. Water going in at the top left, steam coming out of the top center, coming over here. Got a T in my line feeding steam into the beans, and if I shoot the temperature, 177 degrees Fahrenheit, and I've got the press running 30 hertz, and I've got 200 psi air pressure on here. There's a little, replace the pressure multiplier. There's a new one, and the old, oh, that's the old one. There's the new one. Okay, my beans were 180. I'm getting 155 on the outside of the screen of the press. Running fairly slowly. Beans are going down. So we're definitely feeding them. Okay, my lens has come unfogged again, and I see some press-cake trying to come out here. That's it. They wouldn't be squeezed, they just conveyed to the end. The press is now probably packed full and packing tighter, so if I'm going to get any oil out, I should soon. Boiler pressure was down probably about 40 is what it was going. It drifted down to 10. That's why I pinched off the valve, build up a little steam pressure. Seeing the same problem I saw before. I'd rather just oil. I'm getting extrusion of green coffee bean coming through the screen. It has 150 micron, 6/1000th of an inch slot width, like a 200 psi air pressure. Stuff is getting out. Some whole beans coming through there. Some whole beans coming through. But no oil. While I'm running out these green coffee beans, still nothing going on. I'm running them out of the press. I've taken my mango seeds and chopped them up. I thought they might run better chopped up. Okay, I'm just about got the press empty, and now I'm heating up my mango seeds. Pressure went up to 40 psi. It's been running 14 psi. Temperature running 180, 190 here at the discharge, where I had the most steam going in. Everything else 160 Fahrenheit. And you can see, never did get a drop of oil. The beans as they came out looked like that. And the ones that I was running looked like that. Okay, I've started feeding in the mangoes. That is, I heated them up, put them in, turned the steam back on. I got them up to 180 Fahrenheit. Mangoes seeds were 180. They are pushing out the remainder of the coffee beans. Still some coffee beans coming through there. I'm hoping I'll see some mango oil come through this screen. So far, nothing at all down here in the press liquid collection pan. I built a little table here. If any oil comes out, it'll soak into the wood. I'll be able to see it. I think mango seeds only have 5% oil by weight. I think I read that someplace. So. And maybe I don't have enough temperature here, running at 170 Fahrenheit. Could be mango coming out here at the cake discharge. Doesn't quite look like the coffee. Interesting thing here at the inlet, I'm getting a swirling motion to come out. You see some of it coming through the screen. I call that an oily emulsion. I think it's just condensate with some surface water. I'm pushing the mango seeds right through the screen. But if you look beyond the coffee beans, you see we get a much more granular, much greater grinding of the beans as they go through the press. Not that we're getting any oil out.